when the machine is first switched on by the mains isolator at the wall and an isolator of the machine, once the machine boots up, you'll be presented with the home screen. At the moment, when the machine is on, there's an emergency stop. Try and press reset, nothing will happen. This is because the emergency stop has been activated. So you have to ensure that this has been unlatched and released, and then press reset. So emergency stop, won't reset, release, reset. So when the machine first starts or initializes, emergency stop will appear even though the emergency stop button hasn't been pressed. Reset the safety circuit.